Welcome, my name is Natalie. Today we have something truly extraordinary to share with you all. We are diving into the world of website customization, but with a twist. We are going to explore the incredible power of Elementor AI and how it can take your website to the next level. Get ready to witness 8 insane ways to customize your website that will leave you amazed. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Elementor AI truly revolutionized the way we create and customize websites. The latest Elementor update includes a natively integrated AI product. It's available as a free trial starting in Elementor 3.13 version. In this video, I'm gonna showcase a wide array of use cases you can benefit from so you can completely transform the way you build websites. If you want to know more details, I suggest you watch my previous video where I talk in more detail about this. The link will be available for you in the description box. Here are some ways to use Elementor AI with real examples. Number 1. Use the AI writing assistant to create original text for your website. The AI writing assistant can be used to create original and high-quality text within seconds. For example, when using the heading widget, the AI writer will give you a few suggestions to start your requests, such as crafting a catchy slogan. You access the Elementor AI by clicking on this icon, and then we can ask to simplify the language of my heading. You can use it, you can change the tone, you can make it shorter, you can simplify the language, or you can translate it more in a second. So if I don't like it, you just need to click on the new prompt and then the suggestions. Let's try this. Craft a catchy slogan. You just need to provide context and add some keywords, and then Elementor AI generates the content for you. Text generated with AI offers a lot of solutions and have the capacity to produce text that's more compelling and captivating for readers. However, take necessary precautions against silly or false data. Use the AI writing assistant to propose text for a client. Another great example would be use the AI writing assistant to populate the website you are building for a client. For example, you can use the AI writing assistant to create the text for this call to action button. So you open Elementor AI, you then click to simplify language, and if you want to make it shorter, click on it and let Elementor do the work for you. Another great use case is to use the AI code assistant to generate HTML snippets for your website. And this is a very basic example I'm gonna show you. First, you open the page where you want to add the animated image. Then you drag and drop an HTML element into Elementor canvas. Then grab your HTML code, insert it here, and all you have to do now is to copy the image URL link from your media library and replace it here. And my number 5 Elementor AI use case is to use the AI writing assistant to maintain a consistent style that matches your brand. You can use the AI writing assistant to adjust your website content to maintain a consistent style that matches your brand. For example, you can make the text shorter or longer, or you can simplify language or make it more professional based on your website audience. My next one is to use automated translation. Elementor AI enables you to make your website multilingual by translating into 25 different languages. With this awesome feature, you can reach a wider audience without the need for using a third-party plugin or a freelancer. You will want to improve your visitor experience and reaching a global audience. My number 7 suggestion is to correcting spelling and grammar. Use this AI to correct spelling and grammar mistakes in user-generated content like reviews and testimonials. For example, this tool is particularly useful when correcting testimonials and reviews. Instead of collecting such errors, you can correct them all in one single place. You can generate CSS code without a hassle inside Elementor. Is simply mind-blowing. For example, I want to add a CSS animation to this call to action, to this button, and let's choose this one. Click to insert. And voila! So this is actually a mind-blowing new feature, and the support for content creation is really unique. Hopefully, and this is my personal guess, the next phase will be support implement a PHP code snippets, as well as to generate images, icons, and stuff like that. This is available as a usage-based free trial for all Elementor users. If you are a free Elementor user, no, you can use it without a pro version. However, you will miss out some awesome capabilities, such as to add your custom CSS code. Please like the video or subscribe if you enjoy it. It really helps me out with YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching. I see you on my next video. My name is Natalie. Bye.